Okay, I'm here at the dog park trails now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole system here, which I've never done coherently before since they built the bridge and all the extra trails on the west side over there. So we'll see how long the whole system is and everything, and then we'll do another video afterwards. So this will be the last trail system I do today. I've already done the Westbrook and Scott County Park, and so 3 trail systems in one day is enough. All right, we're here at the dog park trails on North Marquette Street in Davenport, and we're going to do the whole system. Let's go. Whew. Haven't been here in a long time. Well, since the FORCn Duro. They had just finished the system when we did the FORCn Duro back in September. I'm not going to be fast. I've already done Westbrook and Scott County Park today. Plus I have a chest cold that I've been fighting for the last week. My main concern here is just making sure I get the trail right on the other side over there that's new. As long as it's all marked well now, we should be okay. And they've added a lot of stuff over there. Okay, here we go for the Black Trail ER. They got them all named now too, I think. Now it's black relative to the other trails in the system. It's not really that hard of a trail. I don't ever do this though. Do this part up here though. This is fun. Berm. They've added these little jumps are a lot better now. Oh, look at this. Another teeter-totter. I don't know if they replaced the other one or not. Wow. They really made this cool. That was just not there back in September. Okay. Now we head to the right. Takes just right behind the berm there. I feel like there should have been a little sign there or something. I didn't see one, unless I missed it. Get the sun in my eyes whenever I'm heading west. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah. Feeling it, I'm feeling it. Oh, looks like a tree came down or something. Oh, they engraved ER in the tree there. That's cool. Awesome. No, here's the other teeter-totter. See if I can get it. Woo! Okay, that's the end of this side. This trail system goes by fast. Now we head down the green section here, across the creek. And there is a creek. Oh, shit. Shoot. I didn't want to go too fast through it, so I didn't want to get all splashed. I didn't get enough speed. Okay, they got signs now, labyrinth this way. Or something like that. I don't want to get splashed on the creek. Oh, these are new. Heck yeah. All right, and then here we come up to another intermediate, I think, or black. A black trail. Fallout. I think it's black mainly because of the hills. Some punchy hills. If I remember right. Yep. Whew. And it goes all the way up. All right. Only 1 mile in. There's a really punchy hill coming up, I think. Not this one. Not this one. We're still going up though. Up and down, but generally up. All right, here's a perimeter. So we won't be going up too much farther. Oh yeah, a skinny tree. Forgot about that. I couldn't even see it because of the sun, but I made it. Another one. Not as bad. Woo, here we go. Yikes. And hill. That's a bad one. I usually see a deer up here. I don't know about now. Here we go again. Shoot, wrong gear. Wrong gear. Wrong gear. Made it. By doing a little backpedaling. And this trail is so much nicer than it was when we first did it. It's like all packed down now and you can see it really well. Come a long way in a few months. Not quite enough speed for those, but good enough. Berm and hill. And now this is the part I'm not familiar with very well. Feels like you're backtracking. Well, you are, but on a different part of the trail. Now we're at the topmost part, I think. Oh, almost. I can't see. Okay, now let's stay on this for a minute, and we take another right to do an intermediate trail. I'll just roll over these, I guess. Not enough speed otherwise. What the heck is that? Okay, this is the forge. We'll be forging ahead here. Ooh, that's this. Oh shit, that's a steep one. Ooh, haven't done that yet. That was a short little one. Fun still. Now we turn right, I believe. Bridge should be coming up, I believe. Yep. Concrete. That was just about it. Woo! Have fun. Woo! 2.3 miles is all it is, but it's fun. I want to do it again. Stopping for a picture. Oh, should I even try it? I don't think so. Probably gonna fall on my ass. Whew. If you use your brakes, it's a little easier. Yikes. Nope. Oh. Almost made it. Oh well, I tried. There's another one. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Yikes. Yeah. All right, I made that one. All right, I just finished the dog park trails. A little over 5 miles, I think I did it in total. I did once the whole entire lap, and then the second time around I kind of explored a little bit, but I still covered most of it. And boy, this system has really come a long way. I really like it. They have a lot of features, some challenges too, and it's just really well designed. Kudos to Danny and the rest of the guys who did this, and it's one of my favorites now, even though it's pretty short. I'll be coming back here frequently. The first part over here has been established. It's got a lot of features with the berm and the downhill thing. A couple teeter-totters they fixed up. They got some ramps and stuff like that. They got a lot of cool stuff. And then on the other side, they've got berms everywhere. They got a nice bridge. What else do they have? A bunch of jumps, a jump track and everything. I mean, like pretty much everything you would want. It's just, it's not a huge area, so it's not going to take a long time to go through, but go around a couple times, make it a good workout, and it's a fun trail. There's some challenges up on the hills over there. So yeah, I love it. Great job.